I'm sure you've heard about the John 3:16, the heart of the Bible. Now, why do you think God allowed Nicodemus to hear the gospel first? Pwede namang iba, di ba? No? Bakit nung time na yun, yung John 3:16 na magiging very prominent na verse sa Bible, ang makakarinig doon ay si Nicodemus. Tingnan natin yung background ni Nicodemus. Noong mga panahon na yon, si Nicodemus ay isang Pariseo at siya ay isang Sanhedrin. During that time, if you are a Sanhedrin, you are a member of the Jewish ruling council. So, ibig sabihin, mataas na yung posisyon niya, tinitingala na siya, kinikilala. Hindi lang bilang isang Pariseo, kundi isang Sanhedrin. Now, the Sanhedrin is the Supreme Court in the ancient Israel. So that means that Nicodemus is not just religious, but he knows a lot about the law. Kumbaga yung level niya pang abogado, mataas na tao na. Ngayon, ang pagtakhan mo, bakit inalaw ng Lord na siya ang makarinig ng gospel? You know why? Because despite the fact na napakataas na ng posisyon ni Nicodemus, meron siyang humble na heart. God allowed someone with a high position to hear that and accept that for us to see that the gospel is for everyone, that it takes a humble heart to accept the gospel. Just like Nicodemus, who has been a secret follower ni Jesus. Sinadya niya pa talaga ng gabi. Imagine that, someone emerging, saying that he is the Messiah, teaching in the synagogue. Alam mo namang hindi naman nakatapos ng ganito. Tapos ikaw ay isang Pariseo at isang miyembro ng Sanhedrin. And then you will believe that man? It only means one thing, that Nicodemus has a humble heart. Hindi natin kailangan ng knowledge to accept the gospel, to accept the free gift of salvation. We only need childlike faith. We only need humility. We don't need to be clean. Hindi natin kailangan magkaroon muna ng clean slate para maging qualified tayo to accept Him. So I hope na may natutunan tayo kay Nicodemus. And it's just so amazing na nireveal to ng Lord sa akin kanina lang. So yun lang. If you like my Christian content, please hit follow or subscribe. Ako po si El Takashi. Maraming salamat po. God bless.